Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily install these plugins or effects on Paint.net. And these are very easy to get. There's just a little bit complicated in actually finding them. So with these effects, you can pretty much add in anything you want, and it enhances Paint.net completely. So you want to get these effects. If we go to Google and we just type in Paint.net plugins, it'll be one of the most popular ones that pop up, auto popped up for me. Then we got install plugins right here. Choose this. Go on down under this page and go to Paint.net forum plugins. So you can find this other ways, but this is how I usually just find it. And then go on down under here. We got the plugin index. We can find every plugin pretty much that's been uploaded here. If I go to the plugin index, yeah, this is the one. So if I go to here, I can usually just find everything that's been, uploaded to the site. You got all these different options on the top. And we can search for things too. Sometimes this doesn't work for me, so I can type in like green. I can try to find a green screen specifically under here. I got a green tint reduction. Here's a chroma key, so I'd probably want to type in a chroma key. So let's just select this one. I'll show you how to plug them or add them this way. So here's a simple chroma key. Let's choose this. And then download it to your downloads folder. Okay, that's good. Go to the top right now. Let's go to open or show in folder. Now, some of these you're going to have to add directly in. So if you click on them, they're going to be like a .dll file. And it's not going to do anything. So you try to open these up, and you're just going to look at these. So you want to take these app extensions, and I'm going to click both of them. Right click on them, go to copy or cut. Then go to your drive. It could be under this PC, wherever you have Paint.net installed. C drive for me. Go to program files. Then go to where it says Paint.net. So you're going to see program files like x86 or something like that. Just go to program files. Here's Paint.net. And then go to effects. Right click into here and go to paste. And it looks like I already have these, so I'm not going to install them again. So other ones, however, if you get the plugin packs, so if I go back under here, plugin packs, just go to the most like viewed or something by sort by, or most replied. So you can find these plugin packs. You can click on them, and you can download these. And if I install this one, it's going to install like 5 or 6, maybe like 20 of them at the same time. So here's the Bolts Bait pack or whatever. This one's a good one to have. Go to more, run anyways. Go to yes when this pops up. And you can see this one's got like 20 of them. So I recommend this one. This one's pretty good. You do have to close down Paint.net before you install some of these. So just go to I agree, install everything right here. Now when you go back to it, oh gosh, I have a lot of these open. And you open up Paint.net, you should be able to find them under the effects. So let's go back to Paint.net. Open this up and go to effects. And anything you added to that folder now should show up under here, or what you installed. Just go to it. And it looks like I have a lot of doubles, so I'm going to go through there and probably just delete them all and get rid of anything that's a double. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.